Bliz. Bliz is more than just an effective way to hydrate. With Bliz's delicious fragrance capsules, freshening up is now a delightful experience. Choose your favorite flavor to refresh your day in a completely new way. We call our flavor cartridges Gem. Our Gem flavor cartridges, or Flaverages, come in a variety of different fruit flavors. There are a total of 5 flaverages ready for our backers, the first of which we're calling Nectar. We're excited to reveal even more flavorage lines in the future. Brighten your day with a glistening forest flower, or any of our delicious flaverages to come. Bliz is your companion no matter where you We all have different hydration needs, and until now, we've only had drinking water as a solution. That's why we made Bliz, the new way to hydrate. We focused our development efforts on safety and convenience above all else. And now we've created a product that's hygienic, user-friendly, and fun to use. We humbly ask for your support in making our vision for enjoyable hydration a reality. Bliz, the new way to stay hydrated.